eyes in the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hand.
Welcome everybody, this is the aspiring penetration tester, and today I will be demonstrating on how to download Ngrok. Please like and subscribe for more videos. Now let's get on with the video. So if you don't know what Ngrok is, Ngrok supplies us with the service of tunneling or port forwarding. If you would like to know the specifics about Ngrok, I would advise you to go to Google, because Google is your best friend. Now let's start off with downloading Ngrok. For you to do that, you will have to sign up for an Ngrok account. You could do that with a temporary disposal email address and sign up and log in. So once you log in, the first thing that you're going to do is download. Hit this button if you're using Linux, but you can also download for this other operating systems out there. So I'm using Linux. I have already downloaded this, so I'm going to go over to where I have downloaded it. Now open in terminal, and once you have opened in terminal, type unzip and the file name to unzip that zip file. Once you have done that, you would want to go back over to your Ngrok login page and copy your authentication token that Ngrok has also supplied you with, and head over back to the terminal and paste that in there and hit enter. Now your authentication token is configured. Now, to know how Ngrok works, you can hit Ngrok help to find out the commands of Ngrok are examples of how to even use this. So what I'm going to do to use this, I'm going to type /ngrok http and whichever port I may want to open. So I'm going to use port 8080 for this example and hit enter, and as you can see, I have started my Ngrok port forwarding service. Okay, that's all for the video today, guys, and please like and subscribe for more videos. Peace.